Arbitrum is one of the most powerful and fast-growing layer-to-scaling solutions built on top of Ethereum, and understanding why Arbitrum is trending requires a deep dive into how it solves Ethereum's biggest problems: high gas fees, slow transaction speeds, and network congestion. As blockchain adoption grows, users want faster, cheaper, and more scalable ways to interact with decentralized applications, and Arbitrum steps into this space with a solution that maintains Ethereum's security while massively improving performance. At its core, Arbitrum is designed to help Ethereum handle more transactions per second by moving most of the computation off-chain while still relying on Ethereum's base layer for final settlement and security. This makes Arbitrum extremely efficient for DeFi users, NFT traders, blockchain developers, and anyone who interacts with Ethereum-based smart contracts. The rise of Arbitrum is one of the biggest reasons why the Ethereum ecosystem continues to grow despite competition from other blockchains promising speed and scalability. Arbitrum uses a technology known as Optimistic Rollups, a layer-to-scaling method that bundles multiple transactions together and sends them to Ethereum in one batch. This batching reduces gas fees, reduces block congestion, and allows users to enjoy cheaper, faster transactions without compromising on decentralization or security. Thanks to Optimistic Rollups, Arbitrum can process hundreds of transactions at a fraction of Ethereum's cost, making decentralized applications more accessible to millions of users worldwide. Developers choose Arbitrum because its architecture is compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), meaning smart contracts written for Ethereum can easily run on Arbitrum without major changes. This EVM compatibility makes migration simple and has contributed heavily to the explosive growth of Arbitrum's ecosystem. One of the biggest reasons Arbitrum is trending is because of its widespread adoption in the decentralized finance DeFi space. Many popular DeFi protocols, such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, GMX, Curve, Radiant Capital, Auth, and Balancer have deployed versions of their platforms on Arbitrum due to its low transaction fees and high throughput. Users can trade tokens, provide liquidity, stake assets, lend and borrow, and perform complex DeFi transactions with far lower gas costs compared to Ethereum mainnet. The lower barrier to entry allows new DeFi users to experiment, learn, and interact with the ecosystem without spending large sums on gas fees. This increased accessibility has turned Arbitrum into a preferred hub for both beginners and advanced traders looking to optimize their crypto activities. Another powerful driver behind Arbitrum's rise is its role in Web3 gaming and blockchain-powered applications. Many gaming developers choose Arbitrum because games require fast interactions and microtransactions that would be too expensive on Ethereum mainnet. Arbitrum's speed and low fees make it suitable for NFT games, metaverse platforms, and digital asset marketplaces. The ecosystem continues to expand rapidly as more studios integrate blockchain-based assets into their platforms, and Arbitrum provides the perfect infrastructure for high-volume transactions. With more players joining the Web3 gaming space every day, Arbitrum's user base grows stronger. Arbitrum's trending status is also tied to its decentralized governance under the ARB token. The token gives users and developers the power to vote on network upgrades, treasury management decisions, ecosystem grants, and community-led improvement proposals. This decentralized governance approach ensures that Arbitrum evolves through the consensus of its community rather than a centralized authority. The launch of the ARB token generated massive attention in the crypto world, particularly because Arbitrum's airdrop rewarded early users and active contributors. This event drew millions of new users to the ecosystem and sparked ongoing interest in how Arbitrum plans to develop itself as a leading layer-to-network. Arbitrum consistently ranks among the top layer-to-networks in total value locked TVL, daily active addresses, and number of transactions processed. High TVL indicates strong trust from users and institutions as billions of dollars flow through Arbitrum-based DeFi protocols. The network's growth has also caught the attention of major investors, venture capital firms, and blockchain foundations that believe layer-to-solutions will play a critical role in the future of Ethereum. As Ethereum continues its long-term scalability roadmap through upgrades like danksharding and proto-danksharding, layer-to-solutions like Arbitrum become even more essential because they will work together to scale Ethereum for mass adoption. Arbitrum is trending because it offers a seamless bridge experience between Layer 1 and Layer 2. Users can transfer assets from Ethereum to Arbitrum using the Arbitrum bridge, allowing them to enjoy low gas fees and fast transactions without leaving the Ethereum ecosystem. This compatibility gives Arbitrum a unique advantage over standalone blockchains that require users to switch ecosystems entirely. With Arbitrum, users enjoy the best of both worlds, Ethereum's security plus layer to scalability. This combination makes Arbitrum one of the most attractive blockchain environments for investors, developers, and traders. Beyond DeFi and gaming, Arbitrum is used in NFT marketplaces, token swaps, yield farming protocols, DAOs, and Layer 3 developments. The concept of Layer 3 refers to even more specialized scaling solutions built on top of Arbitrum itself. This future possibility opens the door to networks dedicated to privacy, enterprise usage, gaming ecosystems, and high-performance dApps that require ultra-fast and ultra-cheap execution. Arbitrum's technology makes it possible to build custom chains for different purposes while still inheriting Ethereum's security and decentralization. This flexibility positions Arbitrum not just as a layer 2 solution, but as a long-term infrastructure platform for Web3. Arbitrum's architecture supports fraud proofs, allowing the network to maintain trustless security even in dispute scenarios. Fraud proofs ensure that if someone tries to submit invalid transactions, other validators can challenge them and protect the network's integrity. This mechanism ensures that Arbitrum remains secure and resistant to bad actors. Users benefit from the confidence that all data posted to Ethereum mainnet is correct, verified, and audited by the network's dispute resolution system. One of the main reasons Arbitrum is trending in 2025 is its massive developer ecosystem. Thousands of developers actively build on Arbitrum because it provides developer-friendly tools, EVM compatibility, high scalability, and strong community support. The growing number of decentralized applications enhances the network's value and brings more users. Projects choose Arbitrum because it allows them to scale their platforms without sacrificing Ethereum's trust and stability. This long-term developer commitment helps Arbitrum maintain momentum and stand out among other Layer 2 solutions. Arbitrum's low transaction fees help users retain more of their capital, which is especially important for traders who perform frequent swaps or yield farming strategies. Advanced traders often move their liquidity to Arbitrum to avoid paying excessive gas fees, resulting in higher net gains and more strategic freedom. The network's efficient fee structure attracts both small retail investors and large institutional players who seek cost-effective solutions for executing smart contract operations. Arbitrum is also trending due to its strong performance in cross-chain integrations. Many blockchains and bridges connect to Arbitrum, allowing users to move assets from various networks into the Arbitrum ecosystem. This cross-chain functionality is essential for DeFi liquidity because users want flexibility without navigating overly complex systems. Arbitrum simplifies this experience by offering a growing number of supported tokens, wallets, decentralized exchanges, and liquidity pools. Arbitrum's optimistic rollup technology ensures quick confirmations while still maintaining trustlessness. Instead of waiting for long block finalizations, users experience near-instant interactions on Arbitrum's network. This responsiveness enhances user experience and supports high-demand applications such as trading, staking, gaming, and automated market making. The fast execution speed is a major reason why Arbitrum continues to attract attention as Ethereum's user base expands. Partnerships and institutional collaborations increase Arbitrum's value as well. Many cryptocurrency platforms, custodians, exchanges, financial institutions, and blockchain projects integrate Arbitrum to reduce operational costs and improve platform performance. These partnerships reinforce confidence in Arbitrum's long-term viability and its role in the broader blockchain ecosystem. Finally, Arbitrum is trending because it represents the future of Ethereum scaling. The platform's approach to Layer 2 technology sets a foundation for the blockchain industry's next phase of growth. As crypto adoption increases globally, networks must support millions of users simultaneously without failing under pressure. Arbitrum provides this essential scalability, paving the way for mass adoption of decentralized applications, digital assets, and financial systems built on Ethereum. If you found this deep educational breakdown valuable, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to truly understand crypto. Your support inspires more long, high-value educational content like this.